Hello sir, tell me about yourself.
Hello, good morning, sir. My name is Nazim Alam Hussain. I am 25 years old. I am from Sunsari, Nepal. I am married. I have 6 members in my family. My education is SLC pass. My height is 5.6 and weight is 64 kg. I am medically fit and fine. I have a 3 years of experience as a contractor worker in Nepal. I want to come to any European country as a construction worker to earn money, support my family. I am hard working and honest person. I will follow company rules. Thank you, sir.